So here we have the HS004G, 40 volt max, 190mm circular saw from Makita. As you can see from the machine itself, we'll work from the back to the front. At the top, nice ergonomical grip with a lock off on the trigger as well, so you need to depress that button to pull the trigger. There's your ADT light on the top as well, which will indicate and will also indicate if it's overloaded. You then have your AWS switch, so for your brushless Bluetooth connection on the side. Battery slides on at a side angle on this machine. Allen key tucked away to the side there underneath the motor housing. Front handle with rubberized grip. Spindle lock to the inside of the wheel there. Nice gunmetal grey housing to the side as well, the crown housing. It does have a brushless motor and electronic brake on there as well. And as you can see with this machine as well, the base plate is also goes directly onto our guide rails. So there's no need for any adapters between this and putting it onto our guide rail system. For our bevels as well, it also has positive stops on the more commonly used angles for that as well. So that is the HS004G 190mm circular saw.